Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are here for one more unboxing video. This package is here and it came from China. And let's see what is inside. I'm not really sure what it is, but let's see. I've made some purchases from China recently, so I'm not sure what is inside this particular package. So this goes away. Then we have this padded envelope. And here we have the pen. Okay, I think I know what this is. And this is the Wing Sung 613. I already have one of those in a solid color, and now here it is, the cartridge converter Parker 51 clone from China, but in a demonstrator finish, which means it is all transparent pen. So this is quite nice. I'll work on the review of this pen, and soon I'll publish it for you to see. So thank you so much for coming to our YouTube channel. I hope you subscribe it if you didn't already, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.